Good afternoon, students, and welcome to today's lecture on the spaces and places associated with ancient Greek sport. I'm your professor, Dr. Rob Steffen, and today we're going to be looking beyond the events of ancient athletics to the locations in which they took place. Now, to get your brain juices flowing, think about this. So, here at the University of Arizona, the men's and women's basketball teams play at the McHale Center, which holds almost 15,000 fans. And it provides one of the best, craziest game day experiences anywhere in the country. But the basketball court at your local rec center is exactly the same. 94 feet long, 50 feet wide, with a 10-foot high basket on each side. Now, for the purposes of the game itself, it's no different whatsoever. But the experiences that happen within those spaces vary immensely, both because of the nature of the events, a Pac-12 game versus your local pickup game, and because of the space itself. The lights, the cameras, the jumbotrons, the food stands, and the seating. And in this lecture, we'll take a look at what these spaces were like in antiquity. And in doing so, we'll start to think about how the spaces impacted the experience, both for the athletes and for the spectators. So, whether you're here to witness greatness, or just want a hot dog, peanuts, and an ice cold beer, journey with me as we investigate ancient athletic infrastructure.